onions are getting soft. Now for the garlic and spices. It smells so good. In go the cauliflowers. Stirring slowly now. Mom, Dad, it's Mira. I have so much to tell you. I love you. Bye.
Mira, we're home.
Mom, Dad.
Look at you, all grown up.
We missed you so much. This is delicious, isn't it, Mira?
Yes, Mama, it's the best.
Eat up. You've earned it.
Amma, look. I made biryani.
It looks wonderful.
Thank you, Beta. It smells delicious.
This is wonderful, Mira.
It's delicious, my girl. Really? Thank you. This is so yummy.
I'm glad you like it, Mira.
We made it just for you.
Thank you. If you enjoyed our cauliflower biryani video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious stories.